Buddy, check this out. Ito ang ating lipat agad spacious modern house sa Las Piñas. Kaya naman don't skip this video. This is Pau Pipito, your home search buddy. Spacious house nga ito mga buddy dahil ang lot area natin is 120 square meters. Kaya naman fit ang dalawang sasakyan at with fence na rin and gate. At ang ating floor area is 170 square meters. This is the actual unit mga buddy. Lahat ng nakikita mo ay kasama na upon turnover. Siguradong magugustuhan mo nga ito at ng family mo dahil ito ay modern design na may magandang location and community. Total of 4 bedroom and 3 toilet and bath with walk-in closet pa sa ating master's bedroom. Located sa Camellia Pilar Village, Las Piñas, malapit sa Manila, Airport Makati and Alabang. At alam mo ba buddy na meron din tayong affordable house and lot for as low as 5 to 10,000 monthly. Yes mga buddy, ito ay located sa Cavite. Kaya naman buddy, kung nagustuhan mo ito, don't forget to like, share, follow, and send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!